Hello everyone, welcome to Living, Learning and Eating. Today I'll show how to make a simple chicken fry. 2 to 4 tablespoons of normal chicken kebab powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, squeeze half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 egg. Mix it well. And add the chicken into it. Now it's done. I have transferred into a small container and keep in a fridge for half an hour to get well marinated. Now heat some oil in a pan and drop the chicken one by one. And now your chicken fry is ready. Do share this recipe with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press bell icon button to get my new uploads. Until then, take care. Bye bye.